guys, this is Binakan. Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for NEET and foundation courses.
Structure of genetic material. We know that all genetic material, either it's DNA or RNA, they are the polymer of nucleotide. So genetic material, it's either DNA or RNA. They are polymer of DNA, polymer of nucleotide, Okay, now we will see what is nucleotide. Okay, so nucleotide is a chemical which is made up of 3 different compounds. Okay, nucleotide contain pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate group. Okay, in this figure you can see here, this is the pentose sugar. This is pentose sugar. Okay, it binds with nitrogenous base as well as it binds with phosphate group or phosphoric acid. Now this structure is called nucleotide. So chain of nucleotide together form the new genetic material or DNA or RNA. Okay, so now we will see one by one each component of nucleotide, that is pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate group. For one more thing is here, actually this pentose sugar and this nitrogenous base together called nucleoside. Pentose sugar and nitrogenous base together called nucleoside. Okay, so you can say that nucleotide is the assembly of nucleoside plus phosphate group. Okay, so in case of DNA, there are 4 type of nitrogenous base we use. According to that, there are 4 different type of nucleosides. Okay, when adenine binds with deoxyribose sugar in case of DNA. Okay, then the nucleoside is formed which is called adenosine. Okay, when this adenosine, which is a nucleoside, binds with phosphate group, now it is called deoxyadenosine monophosphate. Okay, so deoxyadenosine monophosphate is a nucleotide. It is a nucleotide. Okay, whereas adenosine is nucleoside, adenine is nitrogenous base and deoxyribose sugar is pentose sugar. Understand? So there are 4 different type of nucleotides are present in DNA. These are DAMP, means deoxyadenosine monophosphate. Other 3 nucleotides are DGMP as well as DCMP as well as DTMP. Okay, these are deoxyguanosine monophosphate, deoxycytidine monophosphate and deoxythymidine monophosphate. So these 4 type of nucleotides are responsible for the formation of DNA. Whereas if we talk about RNA, in that case also there are 4 different type of nucleotides. Okay, in case of RNA, thymine is absent as nitrogenous base. In place of thymine, there is presence of uracil. So in case of RNA, when ribose sugar binds with nitrogenous base like adenine, then there is formation of nucleoside, and this nucleoside is called adenosine. and when this binds with phosphate group, there will be formation of nucleotide, and this nucleotide is called AMP, means adenosine monophosphate. Okay, three other type of nucleotides which is responsible for formation of RNA, those are GMP, means guanosine monophosphate, as well as CMP, means cytidine monophosphate, as well as last one is UMP, means uridine monophosphate. So these four type of nucleotides are responsible for the formation of RNA. One more thing, when you add two more phosphate group with AMP, it means adenosine monophosphate, when you add two more phosphate group, it will convert into ATP. Okay, so we know that ATP is the molecule which is responsible for the energy inside the body, which provide energy to the body. So ATP is nothing but triphosphate form of nucleotide where two more phosphate groups are added. So it's clear, ATP is nothing but one kind of nucleotide which is triphosphate form. Okay, so this is all about nucleotides which is responsible for formation of DNA and RNA.
For more details, please scan the QR code or you can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com, or you can download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 600-9139-770. So what are you waiting for? Join now.